Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a table with 3 columns in and 2 rows in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a table with 3 columns and 2 rows. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Table drop down menu and select the 3 columns and 2 rows. Then click OK. Now we can see here 3 columns and 2 rows table. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.